Ako si Arcely Pichua, owner ng Wilar's Farm Cafe. Pinagmamalaki ko yung ambience dito at saka yung food number one. All pastas, pastries, lahat. Pati coffees, mga frappe.
Alright, so ayun nga, guys, again, thank you so much, Wilmar's Farm Cafe, for inviting us, and tingnan nyo naman yung ano natin dito, bro.
Full table tayo
Full
ngayon.
table, as in full.
Actually, on our table, meron tayong different kinds of mga menus dito. So, meron tayong chicken wings, meron tayong pasta, meron tayong mga meals. At the same time, yung mga specials nila.
Wow!
And for their chicken wings, we have salted egg, garlic parmesan, buffalo wings, sweet chili, and honey glaze.
Dami yan. Now, for our appetizers, yan, meron din tayong...
Ito yung kanilang clubhouse and yung kanilang Chuwas burger and fries. And for their meals naman, no?
So these are their rice meals,
Yes,
bro.
rice meals naman ito. Meron tayong kanilang baby back ribs, chicken ala king, chicken kawali, and ito yung tinatawag nilang budget burger steak.
So para talaga siyang from breakfast up until late dinner.
Pwedeng-pwede.
Yes.
Pwedeng-pwede.
Very wide yung ano
Yes.
nila.
Siyempre, for the meriendas naman, meron tayong pasta. For our pasta, meron tayong kanilang shrimp aglio olio,
Yes.
creamy shrimp pesto,
There's the
and creamy
pesto.
spaghetti.
Creamy spaghetti.
Di mawawala dyan yung mga specials nila. So for their specials, meron tayong sisig Batangas and yung kanilang pork mami masala.
There's the mami and then there's the masala. So
Asian and Indian.
I think so. Okay. And then of course for our drinks, meron tayong hot coffees as well as iced. Meron din tayong mga frappes. And to name them, bro.
Yes, for their hots naman, meron tayo dito yung macadamia latte and Indochine latte.
Indochine.
Siyempre for our frappe naman, meron tayo ditong dark choco batirol, meron tayong white choco matcha, and coffee Indochine.
Po si Nico Esguera, barista po ni Wilar's Farm Cafe. Bestsellers po natin dito is dark chocolate batirol, which wala naman siyang coffee. Original na recipe ni Wilar's yun. Isa pa pong bestseller is coffee Indochine, na which is parang Spanish latte siya. With the twist of cinnamon.
Again, thank you so much, Wilars, for being such a generous host para sa vlog na to. Okay.
That's it. Actually, 199 pesos for this one. Pwedeng-pwede na. Actually, para ka na rin kumain sa mga well-known restaurant dito.
Okay.
Yan.
Wow. Let me finish this first.
Okay.
Bago natin tikman. Bago natin sabihin yung verdict natin. For those of you who are interested to taste this one, don't get intimidated. Actually, although meron siyang masala, siguro yung first, kumbaga, as soon as it enters your mouth, nandun nga yung aroma nun. But at the end, while you're eating it and everything, I think parang a little bit Pinoy pa rin. Para sa akin.
Tingnan natin yan.
Sure. So habang tinitingnan natin to, bro.
Yes.
Diba?
Unang taste, Indian, going to Pinoy side.
Yeah.
Next to taste ko naman, one of their special, yung kanilang Batangas sisig.
Actually, I also got interested with that one.
Medyo similar siya sa dinakdakan dahil dun sa creaminess niya. Pero yung spiciness level niya,
Wow.
yun yung magbibigay ng kick.
Hello friends, mga classmates ko, lahat. In-invite ko kayong mag-dine-in dito sa Wilar's Farm Cafe, located at San Rafael, Mexico, Pampanga, fronting Petron, Bulaon. We are open Monday, Thursday is 2 to 10 p.m. Tapos yung Friday, Saturday, Sunday is 10 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Alright, so to end up, what is a coffee shop or a cafe without pastries and dessert, bro?
Yes. Actually, nakakatakam yung mga pastries nila. And, syempre, excited na rin akong tikman sila. But before that,
Yeah, let's introduce them. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so meron tayo ditong moist red velvet cake. Meron din tayong dark choco ganache.
Yes.
Choco chunk cookies, walnut cookies, choco brownies, and then for the other cake, caramel chiffon cake.
Yes.
Guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and when you share it, tag nyo po ang We're in Pampanga para malike din namin yan.
Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.